Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the AllChinabuy error code 403. The error reads, "The exception was thrown because the response has a status code of 403 and request options.validate status was configured to throw for this status code." As per our research, this error occurs when users try to access their cart or interact with products in their basket. Some users have reported that they receive this error across all products when clicking on their items. According to our research, this issue is likely caused by a server-side problem or any kind of temporary glitches. First, we suggest you make sure your AllChinabuy app is updated to the latest version. If the app is up to date, then close the app and restart your device. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the app and check for the error again. At last, if the issue still comes up and you are using the AllChinabuy app, then try using their website and see if the error continues. If the error also comes up with their website, then we suggest reaching out to AllChinabuy support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.